Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea Middleton of littlemrsmiddleton.com. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I'm a mama, a wife of 3 crazy little boys, and I'm an essential oil user and distributor. And I'm here to talk to you about lemon, lavender, and peppermint today. They're the 3 top oils that doTERRA sells. They're most frequently used. They're incredible. And I'm going to just share a little bit about each one. That's my dog if you hear him outside barking. So the first one I'm going to talk about is lemon. And lemon is an incredible, let's see, can you focus? Lemon. It's an incredible detoxifying oil. A lot of people like to drink it in their water daily to detoxify. And I'm going to put a drop. I'm really low on my lemon, so let me see if I can get a drop out. There we go. Lemon is really great to diffuse if you are in a funk. So if someone comes from work or home, comes home from work or school in a grouchy mood, lemon is great to diffuse. It's very uplifting to the mood. Citrus oils are mostly uplifting to the mood. They're very cleansing and detoxifying, so it's great to clean the kitchen or the bathroom with them. I like to mix them with water and vinegar and spray down the kitchen, spray down the toilet. I have 3 little boys. And also I love to drink them daily in water because we are all bombarded with pollutants in the air, in our water. We're all eating genetically modified foods, whether we know it or not. And just to make sure that all those pollutants that enter our body through the air, through our skin, through the water that we drink, whenever we're detoxifying, it's really going to help minimize the toxic load on our body, which helps our organs and our systems in our body work better. And so it's nice to drink that daily in water, and it's very refreshing, especially in the summer months. But I will say that if you are going to be out in the sun and you have had lemon oil topically on your skin, you're going to want to protect your skin with some kind of fabric or a hat or something, because this can be phototoxic, which means that if you do use it and go out into the sun, it can cause a chemical burn on your skin. I don't say that to scare you. I say that to make sure that you are aware that if you have any of our citrus oils on your skin, to make sure that you protect it with a layer of clothing. They say that once you've applied a citrus oil topically to the skin, because these are certified pure therapeutic grade, that you want to wait before sun exposure at least 12 hours. So that is just great to know. We drink them daily, but we don't typically put them on our skin during the summer months. We're going to jump into lavender. Lavender essential oil is one of the most commonly used oils in our home. As you can see, I'm really low on this. I do need to order some more, but I'm going to place my order tomorrow. So I should be having a new one shortly, and I don't have anything to worry about. We use lavender oil in our home for a lot of different things, but I'm sure you know that lavender oil is one of the most frequently used oils in the world. They have it in shampoos and lotions and creams and sprays and detergents, laundry detergents, so many different things. Lavender hand soap, body butters, rubs. I think it's one of the most commonly used essential oil to date. And there's a good reason for it. It does have a lot of healing benefits to it. I will say that a lot of the stuff on the market is fake. It's synthetic lavender. It's not real lavender. So you're probably not getting the therapeutic benefits of the lavender that you would get if you got the doTERRA lavender. Our doTERRA lavender is sourced from France, the high altitudes of France. And I know that sounds fancy, but it's just the best plant. So doTERRA gets the best species of plant from all over the world. We don't just grow all of the plants in the US and then harvest and distribute. We get it from all over the world. So our lavender is some of the best, and it's great to de-stress. It's great to help with sleep issues, so you can mix it with water and spray it on your linens. It's great to take an Epsom salt bath with, even if you don't have Epsom salt, just to put it in your bath water. I usually put that in our son's bath water to help them calm and soothe before bed. It's really nice. Lavender is great to reduce feelings of anxiousness, and it's also really great to minimize high temperatures in like your babies. So it's very gentle in that way, where it helps to just like to bring a calming and cooling temperature to the body. It's so great to make your own, if you're into DIYing, to make your own cosmetics. I use lavender to make body butters or lip balms, because lavender is really great for the skin. So if you have any skin issues like cuts, scrapes, dry skins, abrasions, bruises, it also helps to relieve pain and irritation. It's analgesic. So lavender is one that we actually turn to often to just have in our diffuser daily. It's incredible. But you can actually also drink this in your water too, or just put it in 1 drop in your tea. I'm sorry, side thought. I'm gonna go in my book really quick and see if I've missed anything, because lavender covers, oh, if you've had too much sun, summer's coming. If you've had too much sun and you have that lobster look, it's not really a good look. So you can mix lavender with your favorite carrier oil. So any vegetable oil that you like. We like to use coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. doTERRA has one. You just mix a few drops in that and soothe the skin. It really helps to heal the skin. Okay, so emotional balance, head tension. Covered most of them. I will say, I forgot to say about lemon, that it takes about 45 lemons to yield one of these 15 ml bottles, which is about 250 drops, which essentially is 250 uses. Lemon is only $10 when you purchase it wholesale. Okay, we're gonna move on to peppermint. Peppermint is extremely cooling to the body. So in the summer months, it's super awesome to apply to the skin, just by itself, or with a spray bottle with water to cool your body if you're out in the hot sun and it's just too much. You don't want to be overheated. It's great to drink in your water if you have some tummy upset or bloating or digestive issues. Peppermint's great for that. It's also great to keep you awake and alert. So if you're taking any fun road trips this summer, this is great to apply to the back of the neck or the shoulders, and it keeps you, you know, you don't have to like roll down the windows and like get that cool air on you. You can just put some peppermint on your skin. It's very tingling and invigorating. What's cool about peppermint oil is 1 drop of peppermint is equivalent to 28 cups of peppermint tea. How cool is that? Now I use peppermint a ton, so I keep this dropper bottle top on it and just putting 1 drop. It's great to freshen your breath. A lot of people oil pull with it. If you've heard of oil pulling, it's just mixing it with coconut oil and swishing for 20 minutes and spitting it in the garbage can, not in the toilet or the sink, because you can clog your stuff. Or even if you don't want to oil pull, if you just rinse or swish with peppermint, or just put a drop on your tongue, it's super breath freshening. It's so good. I actually have it in my mopping solution because spiders and insects hate peppermint. And so my thought is, if I clean my floors with it, then they will stay out of my home. So I mix vinegar, water, and like 20 drops of peppermint oil in my mopping solution, and I mop my hardwood floors. Our whole house is hardwood floor. So that's how we refresh our home. With that, we also like to diffuse this. One of the great things that I will say is, with all 3 of these oils mixed together, they're great as seasonal support. So if you get those itchy red watery eyes, the runny nose, the respiratory issues that you get because everything's covered in pollen outside right now at this time of year, mixing 1 drop of each of these in a glass of water really helps to minimize those seasonal threat responses that we can get. And if you don't want to do that, you can also get the Tri-Ease, which are capsules that look like this. Let me show you. And it has all 3 of those oils. So there's lemon, lavender, and peppermint oil in this capsule. And then you can just take that, which I took today because my allergies were tripping. And they call this the seasonal blend. So yeah, these 3 together in the diffuser is incredible, or in water, and they work great together. They work great alone. There's actually a lot of things. If you were to Google doTERRA's lemon, lavender, and peppermint, there's people who have made lists of like 101 things you can do with lemon, lavender, and peppermint, which is so cool because these 3 oils are the most popular oils. There's so many things you can do with them, but they're the most affordable. So lemon retails for, or wholesale is $10. Lavender wholesale is, I think, $21. And peppermint, I believe, is $20 or $21 wholesale as well. So they're very affordable. We do have a trio pack. If you're interested in getting the pack of trio of those 3 oils, message me or email me at littlemrsmiddleton.com, and I'd be happy to give you some more information on that. I'm gonna hop over to Facebook and make a separate video about some other stuff. So if you wanna come check me out over there, it's Little Mrs. Middleton. I hope you have a fabulous spring and summer season, and I'm here for you if you need me. So don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day.